How do you say check please in Portuguese? The phrase check please in Portuguese is a conta se faz favor. A conta se faz favor. A conta se faz favor can also mean the bill please. Pode trazer a conta se faz favor. Pode trazer a conta se faz favor. Can you bring the bill please? Queria a conta se faz favor. Queria a conta se faz favor. I'd like the bill please. The word conta means bill or check when you're in a restaurant. And se faz favor is the most natural way to say please when you're in Portugal. Desculpa, a conta se faz favor. Desculpa, a conta se faz favor. Excuse me, the bill please. Já posso pagar. A conta se faz favor. Já posso pagar. A conta se faz favor. Can I pay now? The bill please. A conta por gentileza. A conta por gentileza. The bill please. This is just a more formal way of saying please, por gentileza. So if you want to say check please in Portuguese, you can say a conta se faz favor. And if you want to learn to speak Portuguese, you can get my course 3-Minute Portuguese by going to www.3minlanguages.com. Use the code WELCOME at checkout for a discount. Obrigado!